What's up, everyone? Yo, it's your boy Terry in the Mighty Trailblazer SS. Yo, check this out. Do you hear this? You hear that? Like a metal on metal type of sound. It's kind of hard to hear it with the supercharger and the windows open and the exhaust. Oh, you hear that? I know you can hear that. All right. Time to go to the garage shop pronto. Don't know what it is. Let's find out. Okay, I had a hunch of what it might have could have been, and I'm thinking it might be the front wheel bearing or either the front hub. Check this out. Can you hear this? And it's getting louder as I spin the wheel faster. All right, now this is probably maybe 1 mile an hour, maybe 2. If I'm not even sure if it's even that. So the faster the wheel spins, the louder it's going to get. And if you hear it, it's that metal on metal type of sound. So that leads me to believe it might be the hub. Now imagine this at 35, 40 miles an hour. Not only will you get the sound, you'll get a groan, you get a moan, you'll get a vibration at the foot, maybe even the steering wheel. You'll definitely feel this because I'm feeling it now. So I'm about 99% sure that it's that hub and I gotta replace it. Now, when you replace hubs, do you replace both of them? I do. I mean, if the other hub is bad, not bad, some people roll with it, but I figured might as well get 2, replace them both at the same time. That's just me, I'm the type of guy. This is without the weight on the car. So if the weight's on the car, it's gonna be even worse and louder. So let's change this. Stub shaft. This is a stub shaft. A lot of people say that they don't use it and they don't need it, but it's cheap insurance because if, God forbid, the bearing should happen to snap or whatever, it's taking the wheel with it. So I like the stub shaft, but in this case we're taking it out because we got to remove this 3 bolts that hold the hub on. So don't forget, got these little clamps right here. All right. Now check this out. You definitely want to keep note of how this cable was routed because you want to put it back in the exact same place. So definitely take note of that. And here it is. Here's the hub. A wheel bearing. Listen to that. Listen to that. Listen. Bad wheel hub. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this plate off the back if you can. I got a screwdriver out here. There we go. So you also want to take note on the positioning of this shield right here. Now for this vehicle, the Trailblazer SS, we are going with the Timken wheel hub, wheel bearing. Part number 513188. It has all the provisionings and everything that you're going to need. First thing I want to do is I want to put through the shield and position it upright. All right, that looks like a go. And I'm going to put this in place just like this, but I want to make sure I don't crush cable there. All right, here we go. Let's put that in place. All right, let me get one bolt. Now remember, these got anti-seize on them, which makes it nothing to take off, and I'm a strong believer in that. We just want to start them. Get that other one, and the third one. So like I said, right now it looks like it's getting ready to rain, and I want to try to get to the other side before that happens. But listen, woo, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth, it's funky, all the hip hop junkies. And always torque down, so we're gonna torque these down. All right, so now that's in. Might as well put the stub shaft back in at this point. There we go. Now the cool thing about these Timken bearings, all of the provisionings for the cable management is right there, and it's pretty much like stock. All right, now we can throw this disc back on. The clapper. Now I took this off as one whole piece, but it's a two-piece, and usually I do remove both pieces, but I don't want to get caught out in the rain. How'd that old 70s song go? Just my luck to get caught out in the rain. All right. And remember, whenever you're doing brakes or when there's something like this, you want to have mercy on the cable, the brake line. Looks like I got it. Yeah. You hear that? That's the brake, so that's going to go away. But no vibration, no caliper noise. So this is a win-win. Now the tools that I used were an 18 milli, a 19 milli for the brakes, a 35 milli socket for that stub shaft nut. Pretty much else was just basically household tools, like a little screwdriver. So I consider this a win-win, but at this time, I gotta go and change the other one. And y'all guys don't need to see it, so at once, all right? So now, as always, please, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this one. And yeah, because I gotta move because it looks like it's getting ready to rain. But again, I want to thank you guys, all right? Now do the right thing. Make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you hit the likes, make sure you share. And, you know, also, I'm gonna say it, you gotta hit that bell. The bell's laughing at you. The bell's laughing at you. And make sure you ping, and just get them with a right cross. Right cross, or left cross, whatever, you just hit it, all right? And that way, you'll get notified whenever I, Covenant 66, put videos out. And I'm gonna start putting them out again on the regular. So again, as always, I cannot see the clock on the wall, but I'm looking at the clock on the iPhone. I wanna say thank you guys. Always be easy. And I will catch you guys real soon. Take care. Gotta do that side.